Hello! In this video I'm going to be doing a rope basket a little bit different. Normally I cut my strips at 1.25 inches, but in this video I'm going to do them in 3/4 inch. I put it on the zigzag stitch and the length's at 4 and the width I have as big as I can make it. You can do it smaller if you want, but I like to just sew without thinking too much about whether or not I'm hitting both ropes. There it is, cut to 3/4 inch. Normally I cut 1.25 inches and then iron down 1/4 inch. But I wanted to try it without doing that and just see how rough the edges are at the end. I like to glue it on. This is a great project for when you're sitting on the couch watching TV to just get a bunch of rope ready. It seems like it's a little bit harder because you have fabric now that you're going through also. But once you get it started, it goes pretty easily. I kept lifting up the presser foot just to help it turn. But once it gets going, I don't need to do that anymore. There is something so fun about sewing rope together. I like to go across it like that just to make sure if any bumps start to pop up, just sew them down. If you have a spot that has too much white, I love using markers to just kind of blend it in a little bit better. You could take a red marker and just make those lines go away. But once it is done, I don't really notice it, so. Some people in the comments have said I've gone a little too fast in my videos, which I agree. I do go fast. I'm trying to figure out a good way to do it. I don't want to go too fast. I don't want to go too slow. If you have a preference, would you put it in the comments? I would love to know what your thoughts are. And don't forget to hit the like button and subscribe. I'd love to have you come back. And when you hit the like button, it helps push my video out to others to see. I've had a lot of different sewing machines over the years, and this machine is like $200 on Amazon, and it is amazing. I have sewed blue jeans. It will just go through anything, and it will sew so fast. The nice part about it, if something breaks on it, you know, if you take it to a repair place, they're going to charge you $100. You could just spend $200 and just buy another new one. I have bought the expensive machines, and I don't know. Would like to have a Juki. Still on the fence. If you have a Juki, I'd love to know if you like yours, if it has worked out good for you. In the last Missouri Star Quilt video that I watched, she was using a Juki, which really surprised me. Once I put this basket together, you really could not see the rough edges of the red. I was really happy with that. And then to end it off, I just put a piece of tape on and cut that off with my dull scissors. It's always fun trying to figure out a new way to do the ending, what to do. I had a bunch of buttons, so I thought, well, I'll use one of my buttons on this one. Put a little bit of glue on the fabric and the rope just to make sure it's not going to go anywhere. With the 4th of July coming up, you could do a red, white, and blue basket for the parties. I will put a link to my sewing machine in the description. I bought these at, I believe it was Joann Fabric. If it wasn't there, it was Hobby Lobby. I really like the way the button looks on the end. It really ends it off nice. Thank you for watching.